see the third unit. In this unit, what is the purpose of this unit means to solve the system of equation. So what is the difference between the equation and system of equation? Anybody?
Equation means it represents only a simple equation. System of equations means it represents a more than one equation.
Good, very good. See here, if for example, equation means it represents, or suppose if I take a single equation means it is an equation. Then system of equation means it represents more than one equation. For example, if I take like this, 3x x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 3. Then 2x minus 8y plus z equal to 2. So here we are taking here more than one equation. So we call it as system of equation. But here I am taking only a single equation. So it is called an equation. So in this unit, what we are going to see here now, solving the system of equation. Solving the system of equations. Solving the system of equations. So what is here in the numerical method, we are having lot of methods to solve the system of equation. But in your syllabus, you are having only 4 methods. And before that, the method is classified into, there are 2 methods we are having to solve the system of equations. One is called what now? Direct method. Direct method. Another one is called what now? Indirect method. Indirect method. So, in this direct method, we are having 2 subdivisions. That is, Gauss, first one method is called what as Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. And second method is called what now? Gauss Jordan method. Gauss Jordan method. Gauss Jordan method. There are 2 methods depending on direct method. And similarly, in indirect method also we have 2 methods. The first one is called Gauss-Jacobi method. Gauss-Jacobi method. Then second method is called Gauss-Seidel method. Oh, fine. So see here, in this unit we are going to solve system of equation. This system of equation solved only by the 2 methods. That is, one is called direct method, another one is called indirect method. It should be had in your syllabus. There are 2 methods, namely Gauss elimination method and Gauss Jordan method. Both are belong to direct method. And another 2 methods, that is Gauss-Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel method. Both are belong to indirect method. Today we are going to solve indirect method, particularly Gauss-Jacobi method. First time we are going to see this method, that is Gauss-Jacobi method. So take the problem now. Read the problem now. Read the problem now. First method, first problem, that is Gauss-Jacobi method. Gauss-Jacobi method. Gauss-Jacobi method. Read the problem.
Solve the following system of equations.
Solve the
following
system of equation
by using
Gauss-Jacobi method.
correct to 3 decimal places.
Gauss-Jacobi method, correct to 3 decimal places. Then 8x minus 3y, correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Then 8x
minus
3y
plus
2z
equal to
30. Then
4x
4x
plus 11y
plus 11y
minus z
z
equal to
30. Then next 6x
plus 3y
plus 3y
plus 12z
plus 12z
equal to
35. Oh, fine. Good. Listen. So this is the problem. In indirect method, we are going to take the first method, that is what? Gauss-Jacobi method. Here I am going to solve the first problem. The problem is, read the problem. Once again I read the problem here. Solve the following system of equation. Here ask them to solve system of equation by particularly what method? Gauss-Jacobi method. Gauss-Jacobi method. And then they ask them to fix how many digits here? 3 digits. So correct the 3 digit. So take your calculator. First fix 3 digit. Then this is the system of equation is given in your problem. How many equations are? Why we call it a system of equation? How many equations are given here? 3 equations. What is the first equation? Tell me. The given equation, given system of equation is given solution. Given system of equations are number. Given system of equation is, what is the first equation? 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 20. Okay, this is the first equation given in the problem. And take the second equation separately. What is the second equation? 4x plus 11y minus z equal to 33. Okay, fine. And finally, take the third equation also separately. What is the third equation? 6x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 13. See, and take, this is the 3 given equations are in the problem. So take all the 3 equations separately. Why I am taking separately here means, see the first equation first, particularly in the left hand side. Before that, what are the variables they are having